Iran's military capabilities are extensive, characterized by a well-organized armed force that includes significant advancements in missile technology, an expanding naval presence in crucial waterways, and the integration of modern warfare tactics which together establish it as a formidable power in the region. The Iranian military has invested heavily in unmanned aerial vehicles, which are not only used for reconnaissance purposes but also serve as platforms for precision strikes, significantly enhancing their operational reach and effectiveness. Additionally, Iran places a strong emphasis on self-sufficiency in defense production, having developed an array of domestically manufactured weapons systems, including ballistic missiles and advanced armor, which not only fulfills their operational needs but also sends a clear signal about their commitment to national defense. Iran's military capabilities are further augmented by its strategic alliances and proxy forces across the region, which enable it to project power beyond its borders, allowing for coordinated operations that enhance both deterrence and offensive capabilities. Furthermore, Iran continues to develop its naval capabilities, including submarines and surface vessels, which play a critical role in ensuring control over vital waterways and conducting asymmetrical warfare against larger naval forces. In the realm of modern warfare, Iran has also made significant strides in cyber capabilities, utilizing cyber operations as a means to disrupt enemy communications, gather intelligence, and project power without the need for conventional military engagement. Additionally, Iran's elite special forces, known as the Quds Force, play a pivotal role in both asymmetric warfare and unconventional tactics, allowing Iran to operate effectively in various geopolitical contexts, thereby expanding its influence while countering perceived threats. As part of their continuous development, Iran invests in the training and education of its military personnel, ensuring that they are equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to operate advanced technologies and modern warfare techniques, which are crucial for maintaining operational effectiveness. Public demonstrations of military strength, such as parades and exhibitions, serve not only to boost national pride, but also to convey a message of deterrence to both domestic and international audiences, highlighting Iran's commitment to maintaining a robust defense posture. Finally, Iran's military capabilities are complemented by ongoing efforts to adapt and respond to changing regional dynamics, with military leaders continuously assessing threats and opportunities to ensure that their defense strategies remain relevant and effective in an ever-evolving geopolitical landscape. The Iranian military's investment in advanced radar and surveillance technologies significantly enhances its situational awareness and response capabilities, allowing for better tracking of potential threats and ensuring that national security remains a top priority.